Hello and welcome to SaaS Security This Week, where we cover the biggest stories and latest trends happening in SaaS security right now. It's been a big week for supply chain attacks. On December 24th, 2024, Cyberhaven, a data loss prevention provider, experienced a security breach involving its Chrome browser extension. What started as a phishing email led to a poisoned Chrome extension, which quickly resulted in an estimated 400,000 compromised browsers. Here's what happened. Threat actors sent out a phishing email targeting Chrome OS and Chrome Enterprise developers. A developer clicked the phishing link, logged in, and granted open authorization permissions to a malicious app. This gave threat actors access to the Chrome extension development environment where they made unauthorized changes to the app. Then, they published a malicious version of the Chrome extension to the Chrome Web Store, which auto-updated for 400,000 users. The attack allowed threat actors to monitor user activity, steal browser cookies and credentials, and exfiltrate sensitive data with a specific focus on Facebook ads accounts. This incident was not isolated to Cyberhaven. It was part of a broader campaign where hackers targeted and poisoned multiple companies' Chrome extensions. At the time of this recording, the list of the compromised extensions has risen to 29 and counting. Upon discovering the breach on December 25th, Cyberhaven swiftly removed the malicious extension, released a clean update, and notified affected parties. For anyone affected by the breach, make sure you update the extension, reset the session, change your password, and review account activity, especially if you're a Facebook ads user. In another major supply chain attack this week, the US Department of Treasury has alerted lawmakers that Chinese state-backed threat actors were able to compromise its systems and steal data from workstations in early December. Here's what we know. Adversaries gained access to the Department of Treasury systems via BeyondTrust. Using a stolen API key that BeyondTrust utilizes to provide technical support to the Treasury Department, hackers were able to bypass security measures and access unclassified data. BeyondTrust became aware of the compromised key on December 5th and immediately revoked the key. The Treasury hasn't released information on what type of data was accessed or how many users were affected. It's currently working with CSAT and the FBI to investigate the incident. China firmly denies involvement in this, calling the accusations baseless and lacking evidence. That concludes this week's SaaS Security Update. Join us next time to stay in the loop with the biggest news and most important trends happening in SaaS security today.